Kitchen vocabulary. Plate, bowl, spoon, fork, knife, chopsticks, cup, glass, mug, napkin, placemat, tablecloth, pot, pen, lid, kettle, toaster, microwave, baking sheet, Tupperware, jar, pitcher, apron, cutting board, peeler, grater, tongs, spatula, whisk, ladle, slotted spoon, kitchen shears, mixing bowl, can opener, bottle opener, measuring cups, measuring spoons, sieve, colander, funnel, rolling pin, pastry brush, muffin tin, cake mold, pizza cutter, garlic press, nutcracker, potato masher, meat thermometer, ice cube tray, mortar and pestle, corkscrew, whistling kettle, pressure cooker, blender, food processor, bread bin, dish rack, refrigerator, freezer, oven, stove, dishwasher, air fryer, coffee maker, juicer, sandwich maker, rice cooker, kitchen sink, faucet, dish soap, sponge, scrub brush, dish towel, trash can, recycling bin, steel wool, drainer, egg slicer, pizza stone, bread knife, cleaver, honey dipper, salad spinner, cake stand, butter dish, salt and pepper shakers, oil dispenser.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.